In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a Webflow page in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a complete beginner, this tutorial will guide you through the process of making changes to your Webflow site. So, let's dive right in. First, head over to Google and type in Webflow. You'll find the link to the official website right at the top of your search results. Click on it, and you'll see options to log in or sign up. If you already have an account, just enter your credentials and log in. If you're new to Webflow, follow the prompts to create an account. It's straightforward and quick. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the Webflow project dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of all your projects. Select the one you want to edit by clicking on it. After that, look for the Designer button. Clicking this will open your project in the Webflow editor, where all the magic happens. Now that we're in the editor, let's start with some basic edits. To change text, simply click on any text element right there on your canvas and start typing. You can also use the floating toolbar that appears to format your text stylishly. Need to adjust links? Click on any link element like buttons or linked text and use the link icon to manage your link settings efficiently. For swapping images or videos, just select the container where they are housed and head over to the Assets panel. This panel will allow you to add or exchange media easily. If your site uses dynamic content, you can use the pencil icon for text-based items or the cog icon for non-text-based content to make edits within the content management system. Want to add a new page to your site? No problem. Navigate to the Pages panel and click on the plus icon. This is where you can establish a new page and manage its settings. If you hover over any existing page in the panel and click the cog icon, you'll be able to edit various settings, such as SEO and Open Graph, to ensure your site is optimized and well presented on social media platforms. And if there's a page that needs to go, click the cog icon and then the trash can icon to delete it safely. Once you've completed all your edits, it's time to publish your changes. Simply click the Publish button and your site will be updated with all the new edits for the world to see. And there you go. In just 5 minutes, you've learned how to make essential edits to your Webflow page. Experiment, explore, and enjoy enhancing your website. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.